Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'll be answering the question, does Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus have face recognition? Let's begin. And the answer to that question is yes, it does. It uses the front camera here, and if you want to actually double check it, you can simply go to settings, go to lock screen, screen lock and biometrics, input our current password. And as you can see, we even have an option to add face recognition. So instead of actually unlocking our phone with a pin or a pattern or fingerprint, we can just unlock it with our face. And we'll have to go through whole setup here, but it will work just fine. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.